The Fatoda Indoor Multipurpose Indoor Stadium courts hosting the Sepak Takraw grounds of the 37 National Games witnessed for exciting finals of the team events and Regu both men's and women's matches. 2 gold and 2 silver medals for Manipur were the highlight of the final day of the Sepak Takraw. Women's team event comprising Elangvam Priya Devi, Ayekpam Maipak Devi, Silpa Elangvam, Oinam Chaupa Devi, Wahingvam Sana Chaubi Chanu, Mayengvam Jenny Chanu, Elangvam Lairentombi Devi, Sorokhaibam Elizabeth Devi, Laishram Usarani Devi, Kumanthim Rosni Devi, Mutum Aruna Devi Okram, Jimmy Devi, Leshangthem Sanjana and Wahingvam Pramodini Chanu put up one of the most impressive combination of skill and mastery over the court to win the gold. Men's team of Huidrom Anis Singh, Mayengwam Asok Singh, Tombram Birbal Singh, Mayengwam Risikanta Singh, Johnson Achom, Tarun Khaidim, Laishram Lanchen Maite, Chingangwam Anand Singh, Happy Santakel Mayum, Kunaijam Holendro Singh, Mutum Susil Kumar Singh, Kensen Moirang Them and Laishram Niken Singh had to settle for the silver in the final against Goa.